this place, the loneliest city. Before I came here, I found it would be nothing but silence. Now I'm standing here. I realize what's wrong to me is a different kind of role. So I chose a clumsy but practical way. Collecting 100 sounds from here. Stop thinking. Just start to hear what this land really wants to say.
这一条输油管线就是咱们青海油田的神秘线，这周边呢有那些牧民，还有这采油队的人啊。这是我孙女的声音，我每天听到她，我心里特别高兴。
师傅，设备一切正常，还有，师傅新年快乐，感谢您这1年来的照顾。
臭小子，别整虚的！
把设备修建好了，这是给我最好的奖励。
电场压力是否正常？
分离器出口压力正常，温度正常，现场流程无泄漏。
给你留了针脚在保温盒里。
好的。
往左点，还有。
In this moment, I understand. The most precious sounds in Huatugou are not captured by the ears. They are the sound of hearts beating at 3,000 meters above sea level. It's the echo of longing traveling through satellite signals. It's the sheer vitality of turning solitude into a season of life. Finally, I stopped trying to count how many sounds I recorded, because I found there was no need to. When thousands upon thousands of lonely souls choose to gather here, take a root here, and make themselves heard, what they form is no longer loneliness. It becomes the warmest and fiercest heartbeats of this land.